Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Naila Creations. Today I am going to share butter chicken recipe. In a bowl, add 1 chicken breast cubed, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add half tablespoon of butter chicken masala mix, juice of half lime, 3 teaspoons of curd, mix well, keep aside and marinate for 20 minutes. In a vessel, add 1 onion sliced, 2 red chilies, 3 tomatoes sliced, half inch ginger chopped, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts chopped, a few stems of coriander. Add oil and saute it on medium flame. Add half cup of water, stir and let it cook. Then keep it aside. In a pan, heat oil and add the marinated chicken. Fry it. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix, cover and let it cook. Put the onions, tomatoes and the other ingredients which were sauteed in a mixer jar. Blend it into a smooth paste. Strain the paste and add water as required. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 and half teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi, coriander leaves. Stir it. Add the fried chicken pieces. Add 1/3 cup of milk. One-fourth cup of water or as required. Stir it. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Add a cube of butter. Stir it. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. Stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi and stir. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Delicious butter chicken is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.